This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Glenda Battle. Looking for a floor plan that has a living room, dining room, family room and eat-in kitchen, newer water heater, fresh paint and carpet throughout home, nice porch with a nice yard all backed up to a river. Granite countertops, all appliances convey, stainless steel move-in ready. Stop the car, will not last long. Roof 10 years old. Washer/dryer do not convey and COVID-19 restrictions apply. Remove shoes upon entrance. For more information, review the details below.